So guys, I'm ready to start, okay? I have my pencil and eraser, my marker, my coloring tools, and my paper. Remember, start with pencil and eraser, okay? And then you outline with your marker or your color pencil or your crayons. Just because I'm doing the video right now, I wanna start with marker so you guys can see it better, okay? Now, as you can see on this paper, I have a few shapes that are blocking the space of certain animals that I'll be creating for you guys. I have like a capital D. I also have a semicircle with a circle next to it. I have an oval and a star, okay? Again, capital D. I have the semicircle with a circle, an oval, and a star. I would recommend that you block out your space with these shapes because it's gonna help you create the animals, okay? So I'm ready to start and you're gonna see how we're gonna be transforming these basic shapes into beautiful animals, okay? So the first one that I'm gonna start with is this one, okay? I'm gonna start creating this awesome animal. And see how I am going around the initial shape that I had. Okay, I'm gonna add kind of like a triangle in the back. Okay, and look, inside I can have some wavy lines. Okay. Can also add another fin there and a big eye. And just like that, we created an angelfish. Over here, attention, I'm gonna be creating another animal. Another sea creature that I know you know how to do. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna add some legs here and a cute tail. This is the belly area. And some diagonal lines. All right, we're not done because this circle, we're gonna use it to create the head, okay? Okay, big smile. And then we can add an eye over here. Look, we have animal number 2, okay? I'm gonna start working with this one. I'm gonna outline this oval. Beautiful. 2 lines, and we're gonna add circles. I know. This one looks like Mr. Hernandez. All right, big smile. Just like that, you have a crab, but we're missing a few things. Let's work on this section here. We're gonna have here a little triangle, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and some legs. I'm gonna have 3 and 3. Okay, look, number 1, number 2, number 3. And then number 1, number 2, number 3. Beautiful. And then I have this star, and then it will turn into a an actual star. Then I'm gonna add eyes. And a big smile. Your star can have a few dots. Just to give texture. Same with your turtle. You can add a few dots here. Texture. Then I want to have like maybe some sand over here. All right. And maybe some seaweed with a, look, the wavy line going up, and then we come down, little line in the middle. Let's do it again. Wavy line going up, then we come down, and a little line in the middle. I'm gonna have another one here, wavy line going up, and we come back down, little line in the middle, and maybe one here. We have space. Little line in the middle. Maybe we can have maybe a shell here. Look, we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We add the bottom part and a few lines. All right, we're almost done. I'm gonna have curves up here. Look, curve, curve. Beautiful. It's gonna represent the ocean. That ocean line, and then a few bubbles. Circle and a little curve. Circle and a little curve. Few bubbles around. All right. Maybe a few here. Then I have space here. Bubbles. Maybe one here. And guys, that's it. I have my outline and everything else. Once you do your pencil work, do not forget to outline it, and then you color it, okay? I color mine with crayons, but remember that you can use color pencils or you can use markers, all right? What else can you add? You can add a mermaid if you want. You can add a sunken ship if you want. Maybe a submarine, maybe other animals like a seahorse or an octopus or a jellyfish, all right? Guys, don't forget, be creative, have fun, and that's it.